Until now, you may have missed seeing leadership efforts as formal people building. The added challenge is you have not fully used HRD solutions to build and develop your people. If you have used HRD solutions more, you can motivate your team more. In this video, we share about the idea behind motivation of people development using HRD solutions. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, EXCEL-HRD. I am Wong. I am a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. As a community, we talk about leadership and HRD solutions. You can refer to the description below for the list of HRD solutions. There is the IBM Institute for Business Value in 2021, a report that urges leaders to consider that thriving in the years ahead, CEOs should continually examine 5 questions, and they are: number 1, what is our essential strategy? Number 2, what is our essential technology? Number 3, who is our essential workforce? Number 4, who are our essential leaders? And number 5, what are our essential risks? The point is that you find the people element is present in all the 5 questions. This list of questions shows that every part of your dynamic future relies on the people you lead now. The example in motivating people is the important place of HRD for leaders. Researchers Kang and Singh in 2011 write about CEO as the human resource development manager for strategic HR decision making in relation to staff function of routine work. This explains the role of leaders in the context of human resources. Why not leave a comment about how you motivate your team member as a leader, or if you are a new leader or going to be a leader in the future, put your comment about how you plan to motivate your team using HRD solutions. Leave your comment below. Till we meet again, do subscribe, click on the notification button to get my latest video, and like this video. See you soon.